Thanks for clicking in today. My name is Kevin Wong, and I'm going to be showing you the power and performance of our T7 in the business environment. They're for every vertical, for any business application that needs to do presentation, whiteboarding, video conferencing, all that good stuff. And additionally, it's going to work great with any platform, whether you do Windows or Google or Apple or Android. So number one, let's look at a map real quick. And we're going to bring up my map tool right here on the desktop. And I went ahead and typed in Indy 500 just to find out where that is. I can go ahead and pick up my pen and immediately start drawing right on top of that. And right here, we can go ahead and say Indy 500, for example. I'm going to go ahead and split screen right here with my browser just by dragging and dropping. I'd already looked up some images right here. I'm going to hold my finger on this guy, bring it right over here into my whiteboarding screen, swipe that to the right. Let me go ahead and make that nice and big. And now we've got this great visual along with the ways that we can win our NASCAR race. Now I'm going to swipe up again from the bottom right there. I can actually draw on live video if I wanted to. By all means, I can pause it, but if I needed to go ahead and draw on live video, I can. It's something fully that I can go ahead and utilize. Watch this, back of my hand, I can go ahead and erase with that. Click on the desktop and voila. We have the video running down there, and look at this. I went ahead to look up the different racetracks for the Indy, for NASCAR purposes. I also have the Guru support, which is gonna help you with support and training for all of your employees so that they're gonna be functional in terms of using the screen. If there's any problems or troubleshooting that needs to happen, the great news is Guru has your back. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this today. Enjoy this in the business place.